Okay, we go to the decision making step. Every single in these issues have a step. Okay, for example, decision making also have a step. Okay, step number one is identify the needs to make a decision. Okay, as a normal human, we have to identify the needs to make a decision. Okay, is it important for us or just a simple in our life? So we have to identify. Then number two, as a human, you must consider the option. That means every single problem that we have to make some decide to make decision for it have more than one option. So maybe 4, 5, 6 or more than that. Okay, so you have to consider which the option give the best result for you and for the society maybe, or for the family maybe. So it depends. And number three is think about the consequences, result. Think about the consequences, reason and value of each. That means every single option you have, there is have also the consequences, the effect. After you take that consideration of one option, must have the effect for the result later. So you must think why you take it, then what is the best, what is the value for you. Okay, then number four, determine the best option based on the value and criteria. And the final is make a decision. So this is the 5 steps that every single human, especially you as a student, must take it as a what we call rules before you make some decision. Okay, we go to the next slide. It's talk about the importance of decision making skills. Okay, this is what is the important, why decision making skill is very important. Okay, so number one, it say prevent us from making mistakes while thinking and take action that will not benefit us. That means what kind of action you take it is reliable and it's good for you. It's not just waste your time, waste your money maybe, and waste your feeling for everything. Okay. And number two, make use of exciting information source. Okay. Number three, consider and evaluate all the options available. Okay, there's a lot of option. Okay, number four, able to make the best selection. That means you will see more reliable and good choice for you before you take any action. Reflection before implementing an action. And the last one is acting on the decision made based on the criteria and propose. That all is the why decision making skill is important for us. Okay, we see the next slide. Okay, you can see that a cat, very blur cat. Okay, so this is one of the tasks you can think about it and try to answer in your mind. Okay, imagine you and your friend are in the national park for hiking activities. As the day getting dark, you and your friends realize you are lost in the forest. So what action should be taken? Okay, so use the step what we learned before this, how to solve the problem. Okay, this is one of the tasks maybe you can solve after this lecture. Okay, so this is the list of maybe can help you how to solve the problem based on the question just now. You and your friend is already lost in the forest. So to make sure you understand and clarity about what to do, okay, please answer the following question. What choice do you have? List them down. Okay, this is just like a small assignment. Yeah, after this lecture maybe you can try. Okay, even I know you will not try it, I know. Okay, but I read for you. Okay, number one, what choice do you have? Okay, list them. Okay, number two, what can you do with the option? Okay, number three, how do you decide which is the best option? Based on the option and the reason that have been identified, what decision would you have taken and why? Okay, and the last one is describe the measure take to achieve based on question. Okay, this all is will make you more understand what we learn today. Okay, we're going to the next slide. It's making a decision. Okay, making a decision. So you can see this is the paradigm. Okay, this is what we call table that show step by step what you need to do to solve any problem. First options, maybe you can see the column number 1 is talk about the option. Okay, you already lost in the forest, so how many options you have? So in this slide say we have 4 options. Keep walking, okay, camp out here, get help and take a rest. So 4 options. So which one option you will take it? So it's answer it in the option considered in the second table. So they take the camp out here, and after that we have see result. Okay, what kind of consequences or effect and what kind of value. Okay, then this is what the criteria you take as a consideration. It's all about security. Okay, so after that, what is decisions? Decision can be only made after consider all the option above. Okay, so I hope all of you will understand after see this table. Then try, if you have some problem in your life, just do like in this table, then try to think as a normal human how to solve the problem.
Next, problem solving. Okay, this is from John Foster Dulles. Problem solving. He say the measure of success is not whether you have a tough problem to deal with, but whether it is the same problem you had last year. Okay, we see the 5 steps in problem solving. After we see the decision making, now we see what is the step in the problem solving. Problem solving have also 5 steps. Okay, first step is be aware of the problem. That means you know what is your problem. You realize what is your problem. You know what is your problem. Okay, then after that you have to understand that problem. Okay, after you know your problem, so you must be understand that your problem. Okay, for example, you have a problem with your parents, with your sibling maybe. Okay, so you know you have a problem with them. So how to understand that problem? You must know that that problem is because of the what you believe in the house. Maybe about the family, about the financial, about the what we call is about the studies. So after that, number 3, you have to explore the option. What kind of option you have? Maybe 3, 4, 5, 6. It depends on your thought. Okay. Then after that, step 4, explore the consequences of the choice. And the last is choose the best option as a solution. Okay. After you choose the solution, then your problem getting solved.
Okay, we go to the next slide. The next slide also show us the picture of how the problem solving look. So from that picture, we can see that boy try to identify the problem. Okay, first one is identify the problem. Okay, we put the example, okay, for this situation. So the problem already identified by this boy is all about the studies. Okay, so after that, number 2, explore information and create idea. So everything about the problem with the studies, he put on the paper and write down. And number 3, select the best idea, how to solve the problem regarding the studies. Okay, so after number 3, select the best idea, he already know how to solve the problem with the build and test that idea. Okay, maybe he know to make sure all the assignment finish, he must hard work and do without fail. Okay, then after that, evaluate the result. That is the problem solving loop. Actually, there is a lot of way how to solve the problem. It depends what kind of theory and what kind of research you get. It depends, and it's also related with how to solve the problem. But in this lecture, I will teach maybe around 1 until 2 ways how to solve the problem. Okay? So another way you can find it by yourself. Okay? Next, importance of problem solving. Why is problem solving is very important? Because number one, we can find the best solution. Sometimes we do the solution, but that problem is not get solving, but more trouble come to us. So problem solving is very important because from that we can find the best solution. Okay. Number two, refrain from acting in a hurry. Number three, explore and consider many options because there is a lot of option. You can choose which one do you want and which one is good for you or good for your environment. Okay, enable individuals to think in a systematic and rational. Okay. Number five, enabling action on decisions that have been taken into account all the factors. And the last one, reflection before implementing an action. All of this is the importance of the problem solving. Okay, we see the next slide is show that in the picture. Okay, we can imagine. Okay, imagine you are the yellow t-shirt in this picture. Okay, what you will do? Okay, number one. Okay, this is just same like before this. Maybe you can be can be a small assignment for you. Even you will not answer it in front of me, but you can try at your home, at your maybe at your room. Okay, describe the situation in the picture. Okay, what kind of the situation? Okay, someone in the trouble in the river. Okay, what is the problem with the situation? Number two. Number three, if two men were facing the problem to save the children, to save the child, because the high river current and the place of the rope being tied almost collapsed. If you look at that situation, how can you help them? How you can help that two person in the river? Okay, maybe now you can think more idea, more good solution for this problem. Okay, think about it and answer it later. Okay, next, this is the timetable that show how the problem can be solved. Okay, so just like decision making, problem solving also have the way, get the step how to solve the problem. Okay, table number one is show that about the problem. Okay, the problem is how to save that 3%, two in the river and another one in the just hold the rope. Okay, then option for problem solving we have 4. Number one, tie the rope in another strong tree. Okay, maybe that is good. Okay, maybe. Okay, number 2, get help from others. Number 3, use a strong wood to pull all 3 people. And number 4, jump into the river to help. So what is the option considered? Okay, so in this story, tie the rope is another strong tree is the option considered. Okay, so after that we can see what is the impact, what is the supported or not supported, and why you take that option, and what is the value, why is very important. And after that we got the new solution. Okay, and then we finish for today, and have a good day and see you the next time. I hope you enjoy your life. Okay, then be prepared for the quiz number 2 and sharpen your mind number 3. See you the next time. Assalamualaikum.